In this video I am going to show you how to set up a counting channel for Discord server using Countr bot, and it automatically deletes numbers if you entered in wrong sequence, or if you type any text messages it will automatically delete all those things. So let's start. First of all, go to any search engine. Here I am using Google, and there you need to type Countr bot. No need to worry about wasting your time in searching. I am attaching the link below in the description. You can go directly from there. Then you need to invite the bot into the server. Select the server in which you want to invite the bot. Here I am selecting the test server. Then click the continue option. After allowing these permissions, click authorize option. Then you need to click on I am not a robot. After verifying, you can close these tabs. Just come to the Discord server. After coming to the server, select the channel which you want to set up for counting. Inside that channel type C exclamation link. Now this channel is linked with the Countr bot. If you type anything inside this channel other than counting, it will not be accepted inside. So we will go to the general channel, and there you need to type C exclamation toggle allow spam. This command is used to prevent spamming inside the counting channel. And when I open the counting channel, here you can see that in the description of the counting channel next count is showing, and when I start the counting, the next count keeps on changing. If I enter any number in wrong sequence, it also gets deleted, and if I enter any text messages, it also gets deleted automatically. So guys, that's it. Now our counting channel is ready. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. Thank you.